Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into First Interstate Bank account. For that, first of all, you have to open any browser you have on your device. For now, I'm using Chrome. Then on the address bar, search for firstinterstatebank.com. Once you land on the official website of First Interstate Bank, scroll down a little bit. There you will see online banking option. Click on it. Then your login page will be open. You just have to fill out this form to log into your account. First of all, you have to enter your username. If you want this website to remember your username, then simply toggle on this button. Now enter your password. If you do not remember your login details, then simply click on Forget Login option right over here. Once you fill out both of the information correctly, simply click on Login option to log into your account. In this way, you can easily log into your First Interstate Bank account. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.